3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change the enemy's color in Marvel Rivals, making it easier to spot opponents during gameplay. Start by pressing options and navigating to the settings menu. From there, tab over to accessibility and scroll down to the enemy color section. Here you'll find the default color setting, but you can change it to a variety of other options. Using the right thumbstick, scroll through the available colors such as orange, yellow, or even a full bright yellow for maximum visibility. Once you've selected a new color, it will update the outline highlight for enemies. This adjustment ensures that enemies stand out more prominently, improving your gameplay awareness. With this simple tweak, spotting opponents on the battlefield becomes much easier so you can focus on taking them down efficiently. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Marvel Rivals tips and tricks.